by the infinite grace of Bhagavan Sri Ramakrishna, the sankalpa to conduct 175 satsangs in and through Hyderabad city. We have completed 91 satsangs very successfully. So this is 92nd satsang we are celebrating today. You see the infinite grace of Bhagavan Sri Ramakrishna. So he is Bhakta Vatsala. So Bhakta Vatsala means he is so fond of his devotees. Very rarely you see an incarnation like Bhagavan Sri Ramakrishna. So what he used to do? So he used to go to devotees' houses for satsangs. How he used to go? So in a hackney carriage, or by some other means, so he will go with his disciples and go to the devotees' houses. Very interesting to see the experience of Sri Ramakrishna, what he experienced. So when he come back from the devotees' houses, it will be midnight, night 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, by the time he comes back. See how much concern he is for the devotees. Incarnation of God, Avatar, going to devotees' houses. So once he went to devotees' house, no place to sit. So there are keeping all their shoes and chappals there. So Sri Ramakrishna goes and sits there. Can you imagine? God himself. See, concern for the devotees. Where can you find a person like that? So Rakhal Maharaj, who was with him, Brahmanand, he protested. What is this? They are not caring for us. Let us go away. He says, no. We go away like this, so they will be affected. The devotees, something wrong bad will happen to them. So the concern for the devotees, something bad will happen if I go away like that. They did not care for him at all. Last somebody came, took care of him. Incarnation of God. But the concern that they are my children. And he used to lament many times. See, Chaitanya, Lord Chaitanya and all the others, so they went by walk to so many devotees' houses and all that for spreading the message. I am not able to do that. I have to use some vehicle. I was feeling bad for them. So compared to when we go to satsangs, devotees come and take us in air-conditioned cars, and we comfortably we go. They feed us so well, so we overeat many times, and all that we are getting treatment like that. But Sri Ramakrishna, see the concern for the devotees. That's why he is called as Bhakta Vatsala. Comes out of the way. Oh yes, simplified. Why do you worry? Tell my name. How beautifully he says. So one day he was to go to one Jamindar's house. So he told Master Maharaj, so I am going there to Balram Bose, my Jamindar. So I am going to his house for satsang. You also come there. So this Master Maharaj says, no sir, the Jamindar's house. So they will not let me inside. It was not palatial buildings and all, that person like him, ordinary looking person, if he goes there, they say, don't go, don't come inside. So then Sri Ramakrishna says, what? Says, tell my name. See the words Sri Ramakrishna uses there. Tell my name. Tell them, I want to see you. Then somebody will take you to me. That's what the word Sri Ramakrishna used. Tell my name. So just by repeating the name of Sri Ramakrishna. And he says, so just like a prince, when he goes to the palace, any room he goes, the attendant there will salute him, open the doors. Where he has got access, anywhere. Same way, when a devotee repeats the name of Sri Ramakrishna, Mahamaya opens the doors. So beautifully he says, who is Mahamaya? Mahamaya is subservient to the Lord, Avatar. So Mahamaya salutes him. Open the doors. So that is the power of the Lord's name. So he said, just tell my name. So those yogas who do so much of sadhana, they say standing on one leg, not eating for years together, to realize God. But in this Kali Yuga, say advent of Sri Ramakrishna, said, I cooked everything, cooked the food and kept there. Only you have to eat. So no struggle for us, no difficulties for us, no hardships for us. Everything is cooked and kept ready. Only we have to eat the food. So that much he has simplified. So I have done 16 annas of sadhana. You do only one anna. 16 parts I have done. You do only a small part of it. Sufficient. So he says to devotees, come to me. Tuesdays or Saturdays. For a few more days you just come there. Sufficient. So one devotee goes and asks, Kalpatarude, so what will happen to me? So then he said, can you just chant the name of God morning and evening every day? He says, sir, there is time for me for all that. My family, children, no time for all that. Then he said, all right, just occasionally, can you chant the name of God? No, sir, that's also not possible. See how the devotees are. So they will not do anything, but they want God. Without doing any sadhana, without struggle, they want to have everything. So I meet so many devotees regularly, just when I put many questions to them. I have taken mantra diksha? Yes, Maharaj, I have taken. Acha, how many years back you have taken? You start thinking how many years back, they are not aware. Can you remember the Guru's name? Guru's name starts with P or start with S. So I don't exactly recollect the name of my Guru. So much Shraddha you are showing. Taken the mantra from the Guru. You don't know the Guru's name. I felt so bad. But what to do? He says, sorry, I don't know, I don't remember, recollect now. How much of japa you do? Yeah, I do japa. How much? 108. 108 japa is sadhana is good. Why? My Guru has told me 108 times to do japa. Misquoting the Guru also. Guru never told 108 times. That minimum he must do 108 times, Guru has told. That minimum he has removed. That minimum he has removed. 100 times I am doing. My Guru has told me to 100 times I am doing. Another grave mistake. Why do you misquote your Guru? No Guru has told like that to only 108. minimum 108 times you do, the Guru has to. The minimum word he has removed. The student not attempt to it. This all sadhana we do. And we say we have no time. We have to look after this, we have to look after that. Not there. Why? That hunger is not there. The hunger for God, Vyakulata for God. So when we have no hunger, give the best food to Him. We will not release. Oh, the salt is more, or chilies are more, it is not hot enough, all kinds of faults will find there. The hunger is not there. A person fasting for 3 days, no food, give him a simple food. Oh, like Amrita it is. Where the taste has come. Hunger is there. When hunger is there, any food he will release. When hunger is not there, best food also will not release. So here he says, sir, there is time for me. So Sri Ramakrishna says, all right. That is Bhakta Vassala. He says, all right. Can you repeat my name a few times? That is, yes, I can do it. Then Sri Ramakrishna, that is sufficient. See, who can say like that? That's sufficient, not do anything more. That much you do. Just remember my name a few times. So that is Sri Ramakrishna. So Bhakta Vassala means so like that. You can't find any other parallel to it. Last moments in his life, he has throat cancer. He is not able to speak. Even then, anybody coming to meet him says, don't stop anybody. No, everybody to come and meet him. So setting every drop of blood, literally, for the welfare of the devotees. So that is Sri Ramakrishna. So we are fortunate. We are come under the protection of Sri Ramakrishna and the grace of Sri Ramakrishna. And that's what he said. People in their lifetime, at least once in their lifetime, if anybody has called on God sincerely, so those people have to come to me. See the statement. At least once in lifetime, if anybody has called on God, that kind of persons have to come to me. Lifetime is how many years, how many months, how many days. At least once, if anybody has called on God sincerely, he says those people will come to me. So this is the concern for the devotees Sri Ramakrishna had. So just think how fortunate we are to come to Sri Ramakrishna. Just tell my name, sufficient. So all the problems are solved. Recollect just the three pools Sri Ramakrishna has given. You take the name of Sri Ramakrishna, you will not have any misery. No problem for your food and shelter. At time of death will come and take you to his abode. See how he has showered all the boons to the devotees. So only what we have to do, have the faith and conviction. That is Sri Ramakrishna's grace.